Hey guys, Bruce T here and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to give you guys an update of what's been going on, and I need some advice from you guys on how I should proceed. So I'm hoping that you guys can help me out. Maybe you can leave a comment below and tell me what I should do, and then I'll make a video on that and do that in the future. I got a new suit. I got this suit off of ADV Rider. This is the Olympia Stealth, and it provides more ventilation than my Phantom does. I was able to ride to work last Friday with it, and it was perfect for the hotter temperatures around here in Germany. So I'm looking forward to having more ventilation when I ride, and I should be more comfortable, which will make for a better ride all around. Last week I got a call from Russell Daylong, and they said that my seat was done. It went in for production on June 3rd, and on June 13th they called me and said it was done. I got the leather seats with the heated option and the rain covers front and rear, so I should be getting that shortly. Now that brings me up to my next problem. I need to hook up power for these seats, and I'm not sure how I should proceed. I could hook the seat directly to the battery, which is not really recommended because if you leave the seat on and walk away, it could drain your battery eventually and leaving you with a dead bike. So my other option would be to use the Centec AP2 fuse distribution panel with this relay and wire it into the bike. Now the problem with that is on the older bikes you could tap off the headlight and you could get your trigger wire for the relay without disrupting the CAN bus system on the bike. On this bike, however, as you can see, there's a few wires here that I could tap into, or I could try to tap in back here, which I'm not quite sure what that is. So the advice that I'm seeking is, should I just rig the relay up directly to the seat and skip the AP2? Should I wire the relay into the AP2 and have the distribution panel in case I want to add some additional electronics in the future? Or should I just wire the seat directly to the battery and skip all this so I can just continue on with life and not worry about all this installation? Also, I've been thinking about doing a giveaway for my subscribers, so if you subscribe to the channel and want to win something, leave a comment below to let me know if that's a good idea. I've been thinking about something like a GoPro 7 with maybe a bike mount, and maybe you could do your own filming, maybe start your own YouTube channel, who knows. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know, and maybe I'll buy a GoPro and do an announcement for a giveaway soon. Alright guys, that's all I have for you. Leave a comment below and let me know how you guys did your power distribution panel, and let me know which one of these wires I should cut if I do the relay route. If not, let me know if going to the battery is a good idea or a bad idea or what you did, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys do to solve this problem. So if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video. Thanks!